Okay, let's see what our Meow Meow mailbox has for us today.
Oh, wow! A treat bag for all of our treats and candy ears to match. Oh, fun! Let's make these together. And make sure to have an adult present when you do this activity. First, let's gather our materials. Now we're going to need to draw out our pieces of felt. One white oval for the face, one big white oval for the tummy, 2 arms, 2 ears, and now let's use our chalk to make an outline on our black felt. 2 black hands, 2 black eyes, 1 black spot for Candy's ear,
Meow!
2 pink paws, and 1 more for the nose. And 2 little pink triangles for the ears. Now let's cut our pandy pieces. One more thing needs to be cut, actually. Our whiskers. Now let's assemble our pandy treat bag. We need glue and our handy paintbrush. Let's glue our tummy first. Now it is time to assemble our ears. Now, what are we missing? Our whiskers! Don't forget to draw Pandy a mouth for snacking. Okay, now we're done with all the felt. What's next? Eyes. And ta-da! Your very own snack sack. You can make them in so many sizes and colors, too.
Pandy, you get me every time. Yes!
Now, once your Pandy bag has dried, it's ready to stash those tasty treats.
Are you ready for one more surprise?
Why don't we make Pandy ears for ourselves to match our bags? Only 3 steps to complete our set. First, grab your fabric and marker. Now, draw 2 ovals as big as you'd like your ears to be. Okay, now let's cut out our ears. Next, we need glue and our paintbrush. spread enough glue to cover the entire surface. Easiest step for last. Fold each shape around the headband. Wait for them to dry, and voila! Your very own extra set of ears.
Thanks for all your help today. I had so much fun.
We did it! Now you can bring a little bit of Pandy Paws wherever you go.